Get ready to dive into the unknown. We're about to take you on a journey to the most mind-blowing, awe-inspiring, and just plain weird places on the planet, the ocean floor. From sunken cities to giant underwater sculptures, and from glowing orbs to massive whirlpools, we're counting down the top 15 strangest things found in oceans. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Number 15. Purple Orb. Imagine stumbling upon a giant glowing purple orb lurking in the depths of the ocean. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? This mysterious object was discovered off the coast of California, leaving scientists baffled as to its origin and purpose. The purple orb was first spotted on November 12, 2018 by a team of deep-sea explorers, and since then it has remained one of the ocean's most intriguing unsolved mysteries. Despite numerous attempts to investigate further, the purple orb remains a source of fascination and speculation among scientists and ocean enthusiasts alike. Number 14. Turtle Graveyard. In the waters off the coast of Florida, divers stumbled upon a haunting underwater graveyard filled with the remains of hundreds of turtles. The cause of this mass turtle burial ground remains a mystery, but it was first discovered on August 20th, 2019. The graveyard is estimated to be over 1,000 years old, with some turtles' remains still intact, shells and all. Despite numerous investigations, the reason behind this mass turtle die-off remains one of the ocean's greatest unsolved mysteries. Number 13. Giant Eyeball. You won't believe your eyes when you see this gigantic eyeball staring back at you. Okay, it's not actually an eyeball, but a bizarre underwater formation that looks uncannily like one. It was first spotted on February 15, 2017. Located off the coast of Australia, this giant eyeball is about 10 feet in diameter, making it a truly massive underwater wonder. Number 11. Train wreck undersea. Imagine stumbling upon a train at the bottom of the ocean. That's right, folks. A locomotive lies wrecked off the coast of North Carolina, its cars covered in coral and schools of fish darting through its rusty remains. Since October 10, 2012, when it was first stumbled upon, this surreal sight has fascinated divers and sparked their imagination. Number 10. Black smokestacks. Since April 20th, 1977, when this phenomenon was first observed, scientists have been fascinated by the towering black smokestacks that rise from the ocean floor. Deep in the ocean, hydrothermal vents spew forth superheated water and minerals, creating these massive structures that stretch towards the surface. Number 9. Village from Stone Age. Archaeologists made a groundbreaking discovery off the coast of Israel, an ancient Stone Age village hidden beneath the waves for thousands of years. This submerged settlement is a treasure trove of archaeological wonders, offering a fascinating glimpse into the lives of our ancient ancestors. The veil of secrecy surrounding this village was finally lifted on a chilly winter morning, November 25th, 2013. Number 8. Great Blue Hole. Imagine a gigantic underwater sinkhole over 400 feet deep, surrounded by crystal clear waters and teeming with marine life. Welcome to the Great Blue Hole, a natural wonder of the world located off the coast of Belize. It was on January 10, 1971, that this incredible phenomenon was first explored, revealing its breathtaking beauty to the world. Number 7. Bimini Road. Deep in the ocean, off the coast of Florida, lies an underwater enigma, a mysterious road composed of rectangular stones stretching across the seafloor. For decades, researchers had been searching for answers, and it all began on a fateful day, September 2, 1968, when this ancient puzzle was first uncovered. Number 6. Heracleion. Off the coast of Egypt lies an ancient city, hidden beneath the waves for centuries. The wait was finally over on August 18, 2000, when the discovery of Heracleion was announced, revealing a treasure trove of archaeological wonders that had been submerged for millennia. Since then, Heraklion has been the subject of extensive excavation and research, shedding new light on Egypt's rich history. Number 5. SS Thistlegorm. Imagine a ship, once a proud vessel, now lying silently on the ocean floor. The SS Thistlegorm, a British merchant navy ship, met its fate on October 6, 1941, when it was attacked by German bombers. Today, this wreck remains one of the most iconic and accessible dive sites in the world, attracting explorers and marine enthusiasts alike. Number 4. Christ Abyss. Imagine stepping into a colossal underwater cathedral, its crystal clear waters and vibrant marine life mesmerizing all who dare to venture. Located off the coast of Greece, the Christ Abyss is a natural wonder that will leave you breathless. It was on June 20th, 2012, that a team of fearless explorers first unlocked the secrets of this breathtaking underwater realm, leaving us in awe of its majesty. Number 3. Neptune Memorial Reef. In the depths of the ocean, off the coast of Florida, lies a poignant tribute to the lives lost in the Titanic tragedy. The Neptune Memorial Reef is a breathtaking underwater sanctuary where loved ones can find solace and peace. It was on October 25, 2007, that this vision of hope and remembrance finally came to life. Number 2. Corrie Wrekin Maelstrom. Imagine being swept away by the raw power of nature. Off the coast of Scotland lies the Corrie Wrekin Maelstrom, a mesmerizing underwater whirlpool that churns with unbridled force. The day the world witnessed this awe-inspiring phenomenon for the first time was August 28, 2013. A moment that left an indelible mark on our collective imagination. Number 1. Cancun Museum Underwater. Picture yourself wandering through an enchanted art gallery, surrounded by crystal clear waters and an astonishing array of marine life. Welcome to the Cancun Museum Underwater, a dreamlike destination located off the coast of Mexico. As the doors to this magical world opened on November 14, 2010, art lovers and marine enthusiasts alike were treated to an unparalleled visual experience. We're glad you joined us on this underwater journey. If you want to explore more of the ocean's secrets, subscribe to our channel and let's dive in together.